What if I told you that I asked ChatGPT to create an image that has zero chance of going viral? Sounds absurd, right? Stick around as we explore this intriguing experiment and uncover the secrets of AI creativity. In a world overloaded with content, the competition to go viral is fiercer than ever. But what if we flipped the script? Today, we'll dive into the world of AI tools and their role in image creation while exploring the concept of creating something that will never hit the mainstream. So why would anyone want an image that will never go viral? Think about it. In a landscape ruled by trends, finding the value in the unconventional can open doors to new perspectives. Let's break down what makes content go viral. First, let's take a look at some powerful AI tools available to us. We have Midjourney, DALL-E, and the likes of ChatGPT, each with unique capabilities. We'll compare these tools and discuss how they can replace expensive software for creatives. As we gear up for the experiment, here's a quick overview of how these tools work. AI image generators analyze vast data to understand what makes an image appealing. But today, we'll challenge that to see how ineffective they can be in creating something unappealing. Now, let's jump into the heart of the experiment. I prompted ChatGPT with specific instructions aimed at producing an image that lacks any trendy elements. The results were astonishingly boring. Let's take a look at what that produced. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of AI and creativity, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring more exciting content like this to you. What I found surprising was how ChatGPT interpreted the instructions. The image had no elements that aligned with current trends, yet it was technically sound. It made me question, can something designed to be unappealing still hold value? After examining the image, I realized it provided a unique commentary on our relationship with content. What we perceive as boring might simply be content that doesn't fit the mold. This perspective shift is crucial for creatives. In conclusion, the experiment not only revealed the limits of AI creativity but also pushed us to think critically about what we value in content. Let's recap the key takeaways and look forward to our next video where we dive deeper into the world of free AI tools.